So over here, you can see in this site on the top, I got the links to the pages in my site right here. But let's say what I want to actually do is I want to add in a menu item right here that links to an external site, not as a button, but as a part of the menu itself. So for that, you can actually go to the pages section and then click on manners. And then what you can do is click on add new link. So once you go around over here, you can see that the link has been added out. Seems like it disappeared from over here. So let's just go back and then click on manage again. That would fix it out right here. So here what you can do is you can change this around to whatever you like. For example, I'm going to say Wikipedia. Let's say for example, and then I'm going to go around over here and then you can link to another page or section if you want to, like in a store and so forth, as you can see right here as you want, or you can link it to an external page right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this. And once I do that, that will be linked on to Wikipedia right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and rearrange, add in an external page website as you want right here in Strikingly right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.